Good evening from Lombok, everyone. It's Anifa Menon from hearthealthbrainhealth.com, encouraging healthy grieving and mindful actions. Tonight, I want to talk about love and light, and I love these concepts. But love and light are often words that we link with divine energies. Now, I'm not talking about passionate love or romantic love, although that also has a divine quality to it. Something even grander than that, which means that it's something that when we really feel strongly from our heart, we can feel love. And when we feel something showering us with blessings, that can feel like light. And love and light is a term that's used a lot these days. Today, I thought I'd start with this quotation. It says, "The reason people awaken is because they have finally stopped agreeing to things that insult their soul." Wow, so the reason people awaken is because they have finally stopped agreeing to things that insult their soul. Now, why would this link with love and light? I could tell you that many times I see that we will ask each other, "Hello, how are you?" We'll say hello and how are you? And people will seem fine. And yet you can see that their eyes might look sad, or they might have been crying, or something's not right. Even if they don't look sad, there's just an energy from people that even though they're saying that they're fine, they're not really fine. We can understand that, so we can see that they're not really speaking truth. Now, this has become common in the whole world, I believe, that most of the time in Canada we'll say, "How are you?" Here we say "Apakabar," or people will say "Apakabar," which means the same thing. And most are just very quick and will say they're fine. So it's interesting that we have tolerated this. We say the words to look polite, like we care even, and oftentimes we don't even care. We don't really have time to listen to if they're not well. We're going to move on, and so people have learned this, and so they don't go into the details of if they're not well. Now, when this awakening happens, is the soul feels this. So even though our minds have adapted, our actions have adapted, we can walk away from someone we know is hurting, or our minds can say, "I know they're hurting," and actually even ego can kick in, where "I know they're hurting, they're just not telling me the truth." Or our compassion can kick in, "I wonder what's happening with them." And this is something that happens to a person who is awakening. When a person is awakening, things that insult our soul might be related to truth, and I love truth. I believe most people love truth. Now, how many people are actually acting from that space? We all love truth, but how many people speak from that space? Now,